So you may have a lot of presets that you have made by yourself or you may have imported. So if you want to go ahead and manage them, then you can actually go around over here onto the preset section and then click on the plus button right here and then go to manage presets right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that you can enable and disable different type of presets right here. For example, I can go ahead and then uncheck out. I can go check none, and let's just go ahead and select user preset right here and click on save right here. So once I go ahead and do that, and once you do that, you can actually see only the user presets right here. You don't have anything right here, as you can see right here, because I only enabled that particular preset. So if I were to go around onto manage preset again, then I will get that dialog box again. So you can go ahead and select out other presets that you want to display out right here, just like this. And you can see some other presets, as you can see right here, which you can enable as well. And once you go ahead and click on save, then you'll be able to see those presets over there as well. And then this is how you see those selected presets right here. So that is how you can manage presets inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.